Hi friends, I am K.R. Goswami, psychologist, author and trainer. Today I want to discuss some important issues about blood pressure. European Society of Cardiology declared that 1 out of 5 people in India, young generation, are having high blood pressure. That is 80 million people of India, almost equal to the population of UK.
If all of a sudden blood pressure shoots for a person, what you should do? You and me can save many lives through simple but important tips. I'm going to share to you that can save life of many struggling individuals ailing due to high blood pressure. There are 3 critical issues I want to share about consequences of blood pressure. Number 1, if blood pressure gives pressure on kidneys, they burst. If person survives, he has to go under regular dialysis process for rest of his life. Number 2, if the blood pressure rushes heavily towards the brain, veins tear up. Usually we call it a brain hemorrhage. Number 3, if it gives pressure on heart, we declare it as heart failure. When I was studying about regulation of heart functions during my abnormal psychological issues, I came to know some of the important facts that heart purifies about 5 liters of blood in a single minute. If the veins are connected in single line, it stretches almost 2 times of earth peripherals. You can imagine how fast the blood must be traveling. I derived some of the advices from experts. Number 1, take less salt. Number 2, take plenty of water. Why you want to make your blood thin with pills? Water is available. Number 3, take adequate amount of fruits, salads and vegetables. If you are not able to afford, take almost half a glass of water every hour. Please do not take huge quantity of water at a time. Some people are habitual of taking almost 2 liters of water in morning. This is just like taking lunch and dinner at a time. Please do not take more than 2 glasses at a time because you can give pressure on your stomach, urinary glands and increase prostate. Why you should take water frequently? Because 750 grams of water evaporates through nostrils. Almost 2 liters of water is taken away by our clothes, especially in summer. More than 2 liters water is disposed of through urination, and considerable amount of water is thrown out when I am speaking now with you.
Can we eradicate the problem of blood pressure? No, my friends, but we can minimize to some extent and we can live healthy life. I wish you very good health and fitness. All the best. Thank you very much.